Jamie Carragher has been suspended by Sky Sports after footage of him spitting at a Manchester United fan and his 14-year-old daughter went viral. Carragher's face has appeared not just on the back pages, but the front pages, too.And. It was clear during his television interview with Sky News just how much of an impact the incident has had on him. You can't obviously condone that behavior in any way, shape or form, no matter where you are, who you're representing. Obviously it's Sky Sports now, my family, and the most important people in this really who are probably most affected is the family involved, and especially the 14-year-old daughter, the former Liverpool defender said. It remains to be seen whether Carragher has a future as a pundit on Sky Sports, but many have offered support to the 40-year-old. That includes his partner, Gary Neville, who believes Carragher deserves a second chance. I've been on TV for 3 years with him, and I know this isolated incident shouldn't stop us working together, Neville tweeted. The Man United supporter who filmed Carragher has since gone public after the incident attracted an enormous amount of coverage. His name is Andy Hughes, and he's given an interview with The Mirror in which he detailed the sad impact that the video has had on his life. "We have been feeling under siege. It has been really worrying," Hughes, 42, said. The interview caught Carragher's eye, and he's since reacted on Twitter. "I am the only person to blame for this sorry situation, so please leave the family alone." Hughes doesn't want Carragher to lose his job at Sky Sports and claims he just got excited at seeing a famous figure. "When you see someone off the telly you get a bit giddy," he said after receiving criticism for using a phone while driving. As he was ex-Liverpool as well, "I thought I would just have a bit of banter about the result. I just wanted to have a laugh with him because he comes across as a very amiable